Hi guys, hope you all preparing well. So here in this video, we are going to analyze a standard MCQ on adsorption, and this MCQ was posted on our community section of ChemMaster official YouTube channel, and where you can practice very high standard questions, and already you have more than 100 questions on various important topics. And after giving 5 questions on each topic, we are going to analyze those 5 questions through a video. So I hope this series will helpful for you, and please click on like, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe for more updates. And if you are further interested, you can visit and join the website chemmasters.online, or you can download the mobile app ChemMasters from Google Play Stores to join the best online courses on various chemistry examinations. Okay, now just look at the first question. Look at the question here. The correct statements regarding the given graph of adsorption is, so we have given the first statement as the adsorbate molecules have a strong mutual interactions which leads to multilayer adsorption. The second statement, the adsorbate molecules have weak mutual interactions which doesn't lead to multilayer adsorption. Third one, adsorbate and adsorbent have a strong interactions lead to multilayer adsorption. Adsorbate and adsorbent have weak interactions and leads to monolayer adsorptions. So we need to pick the correct statement regarding the given graph of adsorption. Okay, so here, before going to analyze each and every statement regarding the given graph, we need to know the basic terminology of adsorption. So here, just consider it is the surface of a substance. Okay, and here are the molecules which are going to adsorb on this surface. Okay, so the surface on which the molecules of other substance are going to adsorb called as adsorbent. Okay, and the molecules which are going to adsorb on the adsorbent called as adsorbate. Okay, now so just look at some generalized properties or characteristics which leads to different graphs of adsorption here, or monolayer or multilayer or something. For example, if strong interactions are present between adsorbate molecules, what happens? So here you can see, if the strong interactions between adsorbate molecules as given in the first statement. So here, after making a monolayer adsorption, there is the possibility to make multilayers because the strong interactions are present between adsorbents, which further leads to making multilayers with those molecules on the given adsorbent surface. Okay, so here the strong interactions between adsorbate molecules can leads to what we say multi-layer adsorption. Okay, now just look at the next case. For example, the adsorbate molecules have weak mutual interactions. Okay, then what happens? So after making the monolayer, then these adsorbate molecules cannot make multilayers because they are having weak interactions between the adsorbate molecules. Okay, so in a maximum cases only the possibility of monolayers with some extra characteristics, and we can discuss here through the given graph. Okay, but just remember that whenever weak interactions are present between adsorbate molecules, then there is the only possibility to make monolayer adsorption. Okay, right. Now in the next case, for example, if a strong interaction between adsorbent and adsorbate molecules, okay, so the strong interactions, these strong interactions will only lead to the formation of monolayer but not multilayer adsorption, because due to the strong interaction between adsorbate and adsorbent, only one monolayer will be formed, because the other molecules are not going to make interact with this adsorbate, because already the surface is occupied through a monolayer of those adsorbates. Okay, now the next case. So if adsorbate and adsorbent are having weak interactions, then so there is no possibility to make at least monolayer 2, because adsorbate molecules are not going to interact strongly with this adsorbent surface. Okay, so these are the generalized categories we can see, and based on these characteristics of adsorption between adsorbent and adsorbate, so we can see some various graphs. Okay, now for example, so just consider when the adsorption is very rapid at initial state, and after some time the adsorption is just stopped. So here we are taking adsorption volume. Okay, so in this case we can call this as monolayer adsorption. Why? Because so after complete adsorption of adsorbate molecules by forming a monolayer and adsorbent, then there is no further adsorption. So that's why at a at a starting state, the adsorption is very rapid, and after the formation of monolayer, then there is no further adsorption. So we can call this graph indicates as monolayer adsorption. Okay, right. And next case here, how it is going to make multi-layer adsorption. So here at the starting state, so there is a rapid adsorption, and after that there is the decreasing of adsorption. Okay, and further it will just move continuously. That means adsorption is very rapid. So this is just due to multi-layer adsorption. So this multi-layer adsorption is only possible whenever a strong interactions between adsorbent molecules. So this graph indicates multilayer adsorption, that is just due to strong interactions between adsorbate molecules. Okay, right. And next case can be seen as given in this graph, where at starting a small rapid adsorption can be seen, and after that the adsorption is decreased, and after that so there is again increasing in adsorption, and it is stopped further adsorption. It will just moving like this. So we can the best sentence which is going to explain this is the second statement, where the adsorbate molecules have weak mutual interactions, and which doesn't lead to multilayer adsorption. So this is well explained whenever the surface, okay, whenever the surface of the adsorbent is having capillary pores. So at a first stage, the capillary force, pores, not force, okay, sorry, capillary force or occupied with the adsorbate molecules in a rapid way. So that's why this increase can be seen, and after some time further rapid adsorption can be seen, that is due to the complete surface is occupied through the adsorbate molecules. Okay, and it is going to make a monolayer. Okay, and after formation of a monolayer, then there is no further adsorption because weak interactions between adsorbate molecules. Okay, so this adsorption is due to capillary action. Okay, capillary adsorption, and this adsorption is due to monolayer formation or monolayer adsorption of the adsorbate molecules, which are having weak intermolecular intermolecular interactions. Okay, so the second statement is clearly indicating that the given graph is due to the capillary monolayer adsorption. Okay, capillary monolayer adsorption, and that doesn't lead to multi-layer adsorption because of adsorbate molecules are having weak mutual interactions. Okay, now further graph can also be expected here. So For example, if adsorption starts very slowly and it is very rapid after some time. Okay, so here this is only this kind of graph simply indicates us that it is autocatalytic adsorption process. Okay, at a first stage, so the gaseous molecules adsorb slowly, and after some time, so they act at autocatalyst, and the adsorption is very rapid. Okay, so you can see these kind of graphs on adsorption when you consider the interactions between adsorbate and adsorbent, and adsorbate molecules and their surfaces. Okay, right. So if you like this video, please click on like, and do subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much.